guys, welcome back to my channel. So today Scarlett and I are going to be making a Christmas shadow box. I have made one of these previously with the same exact frames. We're going to be using these frames right here. I don't know if you can find them now or that's it upside down. It really doesn't matter. But I don't know if you can find these frames now, but I found these at the Dollar Tree a few months ago. I did a fall shadow box and now we're going to be doing a Christmas shadow box. So we are just going to get started. So the first thing we did was we just removed all of the lettering off these little shadow boxes, and we just used a razor blade, and this was the easiest for us. I know you can use nail polish remover or things like that, but this is what we had on hand, so this is what we used. And then I'm just going to take part of this burlap roll. I had this from the Dollar Tree. They sell these pretty much in this much of a size, and I just cut this to fit inside the box. And once the burlap was cut and it fit pretty good, I just started gluing it, and then I was just going to cut around the edges to make it fit perfect.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
So then now this is where the fun part begins, is decorating the inside of this. I am just going to be using this ornament I got from Dollar General. It says Hope with a little buffalo check. I think this looks super cute. And then I'm just adding a bunch of other things. These are like little picks, and I just cut some of the greenery off. And then I ended up adding some berries that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree or Walmart. You can really get these at any place right now that sells Christmas decor, and you can definitely just make this your own. You can have it match your own decor. You can do whatever you want with this, but I think these are so fun to make. I took these little birch trees. These were only 84 cents at Walmart, and I glued them to the opposite corners of each of them. I thought that was so cute. I am going to let you know that this was kind of a pain to glue together because everything was kind of lifted and it was a lot bigger than what I thought, but it ended up working and it hasn't fallen apart. And then I got these little lantern ornaments from Walmart as well. And then I just added 2 of them. And then I'm just going to be adding some more like greenery and like this little like pine tree type stuff. And I ended up wanting it at the bottom, so I had to remove a couple things. You just really have to play around with this. I think these are so fun.
The first for you and me. The snow is falling.
The last thing I decided to add was these little mini ornaments. They are little reindeer, and they just clip right on like little clothespins. And that is the end of my shadow box. And I just ended up putting the other one right on the top and gluing them with hot glue. I did have to cut a bunch of the little greenery so everything would fit, but it's turned out so good. I'm super happy with it. I think it is such a cute little decor piece. But if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
And the storm is on its way.